Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the number of radians in a 720 degree angle can be written as a pi, where a is a constant. What is the value of a? So basically what they want us to do here is they want us to convert degrees into radians. And the easiest way to remember the conversion rate is to remember that a full circle is both 360 degrees and 2 pi radians. So if we multiply 720 degrees by 2 pi radians over 360 degrees, this is a unit conversion. So this fraction is basically like multiplying 720 degrees by 1. It doesn't change the value, but the degrees cancel out, and then you have 720 times 2 pi radians over 360. So we have some number radians. So we have changed the unit without changing the value. And so if we have 720, we can think of that as 360 times 2. I'm doing this because you can't just plug this into your calculator because it's the no calculator section. So 360 times 2 is 720, and then that's times 2 pi radians. And this is over 360. These 360s cancel, so that's why I did that. And we're left with 2 times 2 is 4. Don't forget the pi radians. So 720 degrees is equal to 4 pi radians, and we're also told that it's equal to a pi radians. So 4 pi is equal to a pi, therefore a is equal to 4, and 4 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.